me, Sophia. Today I'm going to show you how I cook. I never cooked when I was at home because I was always eating takeaway, or I know, healthy model, eating takeaway every day, but I was always either eating takeaway or my parents were making my food. Since moving to London, I've had to like really change everything up and start like kind of becoming a bit more independent. I'm not doing great because like I literally have like chicken here from like 4 days ago that definitely needs thrown out, and I don't even know how long did the potatoes last for. And so yeah, we have to start from scratch again today and try and make me my food. I'm going to try and explain to you all as well like little tips and tricks that I've learned since moving here. It is only 12 o'clock. Now I have already been to the gym today, and my personal trainer Peter, he suggests that we switch basically like instead of having dinner at dinner time, have dinner at lunch and lunch at dinner time. So today I would have had a salad normally around about this time, but instead I'm going to have like a dinner. So I think I'm going to make chicken, potatoes, broccoli, and then probably like beans or something. Yeah, I'm not good at cooking, by the way, so this is why it's going to be funny. Also, I don't touch raw meat, so I'm going to like, you guys are gonna laugh at me because I have to use like utensils to like pick it up and like place it over. But yeah, if you want to see me try and cook in my model apartment, then keep watching. So first off, what we have to do is we need to get our ingredients. I'm going to use this, which is broccoli and carrots. I don't really like the carrots in this because they kind of go funny, but we'll see. We have peri baby potatoes because my other potatoes, like my normal potatoes, I've already ate, so we're going to use these. And then we have fillets. I don't eat fish, which is actually really good for you. So basically every day I have chicken. Not sure how to even defrost things. Like this is so frozen. Let's see if it says oven from chilled. Time to call Shannon. Hello, I'm vlogging here, but my chicken's frozen, so how do I unfreeze it?
You have to defrost it correctly.
How long for?
You have to go, I don't know, you can defrost stuff in the microwave if you defrost option in the microwave.
Yeah, I do, but how long do I put it in for?
Do it for like a while, then you can
Okay. Bye. So Shannon doesn't know how long to defrost it for, so I'm gonna ring my mum. Last time the chicken didn't need defrosted because I just bought it, so. Who else can I ring? Let's ring Beth. Hello? Yeah?
What?
How do I defrost chicken?
In the microwave.
For how long?
Need it now?
Yeah? Do I take it out of the packet?
What packet? What's the packet?
Like a plastic packet?
Yeah, it's you like put it in a bowl.
And then how long do I defrost it for? Like 6 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Love you.
Maybe.
So this is our chicken. I'm going to use like this big knife to try and like, wait, there we go. I'm okay touching this now that it's frozen. Ew. But like as soon as it's not frozen, then I'm like, ew. Ooh. Right, so we have our chicken and we're going to put it in the microwave. See you in a minute when it's defrosted. So I have got the chicken defrosted. So here is the chicken. You guys down here so you can see me cutting the chicken. The girl that like chaperones us just came in and she's like, you're cooking again. Like 3 breasts here.
Look at all those chicken.
And I like to like cut it down the middle first. Ew. Get like pieces like this I kind of like to open up and still kind of like frosty. Now we have cut our chicken. We need to put it in the oven because I'm gonna grill it, I think.
So we're just editing this and we've just watched this part and we're dead because obviously if you're gonna grill something you put it in the grill, not the oven, and Sophia doesn't even know if she put it in the grill or oven.
But it's all one. It's all one compartment.
No, there should be 2. There's the grill and then there's the oven.
The top shelf. the
So she
oven.
grilled it.
We have like lots of trays in here and they're all like kind of gross. So I use this because it means I can like scoop it up and then like place it down. Ew! Literally touching chicken makes me feel like sick. Put it in here and then I'm not really sure how to work this. I think I done it right last time. So what I do is I press this onto this and then I think my mum told me, wait, I'm so confused. Right, we're gonna go 170 I think. And then I think I do this. And then that should start cooking my chicken. It's kind of slanty, but I think the chicken is cooking. So now we can look at everything else. So we have potatoes. And I think you just microwave these potatoes. It says how to cook.
Cooking appliances vary. These instructions are given as a guide. Please ensure the practice piping hot for serving microwave.
Pierce. Firm lids.
Several times and place on a microwavable plate. Cook for 5 minutes. Leave to stand 30. Shake gently and enjoy for... Oh wait. Oh, and cook for 2 minutes. Leave to stand...
Guys, I'm also convinced that I've got like a pee infection or something. I keep needing to pee and just like can't. Ah! Why do I have to place it on a plate? I don't really get that, but we'll just use my dirty chicken plate again because they're in this anyways. We have the microwave. Put them in there. Wait, why would I cook my potatoes yet? Right, I'm not going to cook my potatoes yet because they only take 7 minutes and I need to do 20 minutes on my chicken. Yes, we just wait until this is done. Yeah, okay. So right now what I need to do is take my chicken out and turn it, but we don't have any like things, so I have to use like one of these. I really don't think it's ready to be turned.
You're just watching this, like, how is this an
Listen,
actual video you produce?
I don't know how to cook. I don't know what is what, and I was confused.
Sorry on behalf of Sophia for this content because...
Listen, but it didn't look cooked on top, but apparently the bottom cooks. The bit that is on the metal.
Okay, bye.
I didn't know that. Oh, I really think I'm going to get sick while I'm over here because like I'm going to end up like not cooking my chicken right. I'm kind of forgetting what ones I've turned. I actually suggest that like when your parents try and like teach you how to cook that you actually listen, because it would have been a lot easier if I had have known how to cook before I came here. Slide it back in. And it's like nearly done. We'll put the potatoes on and then I put these in the microwave too, but only for a few minutes, so it should be fine. So guys, I'm currently sitting here waiting for the chicken. I don't remember it taking this long last time, but I think it might be because it needs defrosted. Also, I have like a spot here. London's so scary. I'm gonna go check what's happening. It was just a weird fight or something. Hopefully next time you see me, the chicken will be ready and out. I asked my girlfriend if the chicken was ready and she said to cut it open and see if it's white. I feel like it's white. Like, I feel like my mind's playing tricks on me where I'm like, is it? But like, it is. But like, is it? I don't know. We'll find out when, if Sophia dies of food poisoning or not. Now what we have to do is cook our potatoes. So I'm going to put it on medium and put it in for 6 minutes. I'll probably only eat like that much, like 3 or 4 like wee bits, and then I keep the rest because I will be making a salad later on. Something's going on. Can't do this whole cooking thing. So why did they make that noise? I think I need to pop it more. BRB. I'm gonna put these in. You're supposed to put the whole bag in for 6 minutes, so I'm gonna put these in for like 2 minutes or a minute and a half. Why my broccoli tasted like utter crap.
I'm just explaining to her, like, just because you're not cooking as much, you can take a wee bit of time off, but not that much.
Yeah, I thought because it was like 2, then like I would like divide it, but it just made it raw. And I don't know how much I'm gonna like these. They kind of smell weird, but let's see. This is what I am eating. I have about a fistful of, this is how like I'm measuring stuff out, like a fistful of each thing. So a fistful of chicken, like less than a fistful of potatoes, and a fistful of veg. And what I'm going to do is I have like brown bread in here that is actually in there for way too long. I have this brown bread that I can use because it's literally like there's no calories in it, and it's like really, it's like healthy alternative. Once I have this out and I try a potato, I will let you guys know if I'm going to put beans on it or not. So I didn't really like the potatoes because I didn't realize they had like skin on them, and I don't like potatoes with skin. I just tried to like mash them up a little.
What's going on at this point? She's just mashed the potatoes up as if that's gonna add flavour to them.
I thought it would like,
Oh.
I thought it would like take away, I don't know. They were hard. Currently cooking beans so that when I put the beans on it, hopefully it takes away like that weird flavour. I wanted to explain to you guys that you might be thinking like this is a lot of food for a model, and people always think that models don't eat, or if you don't like certain foods then you can't like do it, but it's fine.
Have a sign saying recording in process, do not enter.
But currently I am on a diet where I do like 5 days of eating normal and then 2 days where I try and like keep my calories a bit lower. So like I'm actually eating more now than I did when I was at home, because I'm trying to like eat the right foods and the right amount of them. So it's like more like eating a lot but like throughout the day. Like if you want something, like finding like alternatives, like if I want sugar then I should have like grapes and stuff. This is my dinner. I've now covered it all in beans. Kind of takes away the stinking taste. Also I'm only going to eat half of this, so probably about like that much of it because we already have our carbs and our potatoes. But yeah, this is my dinner. We're gonna try the dinner, see if, hold on, Sophia, if the beans take away the awful tasting potatoes. I think I cooked the potatoes for long enough because they kind of scared me. Didn't cook the potatoes for long enough. That is literally raw potato. So it looks like it's chicken for me tonight. I feel like I'm doing a mukbang. I really want to do a mukbang, but I can't really because I'm supposed to be eating healthy. So what am I going to mukbang? Chicken? Me and Jordan, I think it was Jordan, or was it Carmi? I don't know. Someone was talking about a mukbang and they were like, what if I just ordered all this unhealthy food and you just sat there and watched me? I was like, that would be torture. I was going to say water is like your best friend. I only drink a lot of water, but I kind of need to because it's really good for you, and I can't really drink any other drinks that are fizzy or anything because they're like really bad for you. Also I have like some weird pee thing going on, so like I was told to drink lots of water. I don't think I cooked these enough either. But you can eat raw vegetables, but it's disgusting. Can you tell I really love my new diet? Tune in next week for Chef Sophia. Anyways, this was just kind of a funny vlog because I mean I can't really cook and I'm still getting the hang of what is healthy and what is not healthy and like stuff like that. So but I just thought it would be a funny video, not to like be like this is how you should eat or this is how a model eats, because like every model has different bodies and different bodies work different ways and people eat different things. But this is just what I've kind of been eating. Yeah, that is the end of this video. If you like seeing me cook, then let me know, or if you have any other ideas for like healthy meals, then let me know and I will try them out, see how they go. But yeah, bye. Let's tidy up, clean the dishes. Ugh.